Say not the struggle naught availeth. By Arthur Hugh Clough. LibriVox.org. Say not the struggle naught availeth. The labor and the wounds are vain. The enemy faints not nor faileth. And as things have been, they remain. If hopes were dupes, fears may be liars. It may be, in yon smoke concealed, your comrades chase e'en now the fliers, and but for you possess the field. For while the tired waves, vainly breaking, seem here no painful inch to gain, far back through creeks and inlets making, comes silent flooding in the main, and not by eastern windows only. When daylight comes in the light. In front the sun climbs slow, how slowly! But westward, look, the land is bright. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.